Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are working on the Corolla finally. It's taken long enough. It's been a lot of bike content, but now we're starting to get into the car content now that's getting warm out. On today's video, we are going to be taking off the diffuser. On these Corollas, they put this like fake diffuser down here with fake exhaust tips. We're taking that off, throwing on a diffuser that has cutouts for a real exhaust, hint on what may be coming. So yeah, let's get to it, start taking this off. Toyota puts this like fake diffuser. It looks all right, but I want the real exhaust tips sticking out for when the exhaust comes. For now, we're gonna take that off, throw on a good diffuser, and then while we're taking off the diffuser, we're gonna take off those two badges. I just like the clean look of the emblem just in the center. So I'm gonna take those off as well. So to take off this diffuser, it's these like 4 pop clip things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's little clips like that back in the bumper that you just unclip. And then this whole diffuser should come out towards the back of the car. Like I was saying earlier, these clips, you just press in the center and it actually comes towards you, not away from the car. The diffuser, after you pop these clips, and where is it? Right there. There's gonna be a screw. You have to press this like weird cardboard piece up, press that up, and then there's a screw hole that you have to unscrew. It took a while for us to find that, but after you find it, it comes out super easy. So get those 2 screws on each, or 1 on each side done, and then start pressing in the center of these clips. And then after you go down the line, you just pull the diffuser towards the car and it pops right out. Now it's time to start installing the good diffuser. Here's our new diffuser. I got it from Amazon, I want to say. Gloss black. It's kind of like the Tom's diffuser, but I just didn't feel like spending $800 on a diffuser. This one was only $300. Paint's pretty good quality. I'm decently surprised with it. You get a roll of double-sided tape. In the bag, you get 2 self-tappers and 2 bolts. The bolts go in the center, and then the self-tappers, 1 on each side. So you gotta send a self-tapper into the bumper, which is gonna hurt a little, but it's worth it to get rid of that ugly thing. We're gonna clean this off, that way the double-sided tape sticks to it. We got the double-sided tape ran along. It was pretty simple. We left a little bit of a gap just so you don't see it from above, from the top. Now that we got the 3M tape on, I think it's time for the car. We got the diffuser installed. It looks really good. Actually makes this rear end kind of stand out, you could say. What we did, we took off all the tape first, and then Ethan right there, he put the 2 bolts that are in the center here first. That way it just kind of has like a stable point and it's able to center it. And then once he got those 2 mounted, told me where it lined up, pressed it on, then put in the 2 self-tappers, 1 on each side. It looks really good. What do you think?
A+.
Just to show you guys underneath, 2 bolts right there, self-tappers. There's 2 holes, as you can see right here. We put the self-tappers on the most outside hole, since this hole on that side didn't have anything to dig into. So these outside holes both had the actual bumper to drill into. So that's why we picked those holes. To add to the install of the diffuser, I'm also going to be taking off the Corolla badge and the XSE badge, getting rid of these. And to do that, we're using this stuff, General 3M. So this is good stuff. You usually spray it on, let it sit for, I don't know, a minute. The adhesive behind the badges after spraying that on comes off. So just clean off the paint with that stuff after you spray it on. It stops it from eating at the paint. One thing Toyota does do, so they all come standard with chrome emblems, and Toyota for some reason makes you pay $325 for plastic covers to make them black. What are your thoughts, Ethan?
Bogus.
So as you can see, we got the badges off. Gives the rear a really clean look. I do like the way that looks. I don't even know if I have a fingerprint anymore, honestly, from just scraping that, but the end result was really good. So thank you guys for watching. No big installs yet. Other than that, pretty simple. Got anything to say?
We're gonna get her done today.
So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys later.